Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a certain package requires 3 centimeters of tape to be closed securely. And we're asked what is the maximum number of packages of this type that can be secured with 6 meters of tape. So what we're going to do here is we're going to convert 6 meters using unit conversion into packages. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is the packages are dealing with centimeters, so we're going to turn 6 meters into centimeters. So we're told 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So if we multiply this, let's get these in parentheses just to make it clear. Multiply this by the fraction 100 centimeters over 1 meter. This is like multiplying 6 by 4 over 4. This is equal to 1, so 6 times 4 over 4 is 6 times 1 is equal to 6. But the reason we do this is to get a different denominator. Because if you do 6 times 4 is 24 over 4, and don't simplify, you have a new denominator. Same thing here, except we want a new unit, because these meters cancel, and now we have 6 times 100 divided by 1 centimeters. And now we're going to do another unit conversion, which is a little bit weirder, because it's not like meters to centimeters, it's centimeters to packages. However, since one package requires 3 centimeters, we can just do one package over 3 centimeters, and this is going to give us the number of packages because the centimeters are going to cancel each other out, and we get, just writing everything that hasn't been crossed out, 6 times 100 times 1 package over 1 times 3. So this is 6 times 100 is 600, times 1 is 600, 1 times 3 is 3, so 600 over 3 packages. 600 is 3 times 200, and then this is still over 3 packages. So you get, these 3's cancel, 200 is the number of packages that can be made with our original amount of 6 meters of tape. So the answer is going to be 200 in C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.